robot dispenser which can pump water and give water to everybody in our house and to everyone. So I will show you the working of it and how I made it and my connections, which motor I have used and everything. So do not wait for it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. Woo, woo, woo. And this video will be very short and sweet. If you liked it, please do not forget to press that like button and do subscribe to my channel and ring that Ghanti button also and make that subscribe red button gray. Hope you would like to enjoy my video and please do subscribe and give me 50 million and trillion, oh just kidding, 50k likes. Please guys. So let's start. 3, 2, 1. Let's go guys. So here it is my water dispenser. As you can see, he is smiling and telling us to give me water means to take water. So now let's see how I made it. Here it is one unused glasses where I have kept some glasses to take the person to drink the water. And here is used glasses, means it has also a dustbin provision also in which you can throw the used glasses. Now comes the smiling piece in which all the components and the mechanism is hidden below this. Here it is on a tray to take, means the person will keep the water here and the straw will bring the water and pour it in this glass. This is an IV set and you would be asking me why you use this IV set. It would be not very harmful to use it. First of all, we use IV set to pour directly into the glucose into the human's body. So it is sterile only, and if we are putting water in it, it is very much sterile. And here it is written refreshment. And just a minute, I will turn on the flashlight, turn off the flashlight. And you can see my lighting, how I've done to impress this my project. Now comes the back part. Let's see it. And you would be confused how much wire it is, but I will show you. So here is one battery to give the connection of this light. And now this wire goes to this geared motor to make this motor stable. Here it is my RC driver. In previous video I have shown you how I modified my RC controller receiver to I have attached it one cooling fan here also as I was running this fan around 12 volts. So the RC controller gets very heated, which would heat the controller with IC chip. So the lifetime will be very short only. Here are this is the black power supply and this is the red power supply. This is one IV set. From here we can control the water adjustment how we want. This is an air pump motor which can which can pump the water up to this IV set from down to up and then into the glass. Here is my RC receiver for spare person I was kept here, and here are some spare wheels if this wheel gets damaged, so I can put this. Now let's open this flap and let's see the inside. To open this flap, we have to remove this what we call this tar type. Just take it apart and just pull it back. As you can see, I have pulled it back. So now you can get a clear view of this RC controller. So I will just open and just show you one quick glimpse of it. See guys, same RC receiver from which I have made this automatic light on and off device. Now comes that Pepsi bottle, not sponsored by Pepsi, but for refilling purpose I have kept that. In that bottle the water is there. So this motor, here one, just a minute, I will zoom it. Yeah, you can see it perfectly. This motor takes the water from that Pepsi bottle and this motor pumps this water up to here into the glass cup. I have removed this wire, so that's why it has came back. So guys, just see and take a quick glimpse of it. As you can see here. Did I show you this gear motor? Yeah, no. I have used one L-shaped gear motors. As you can see that I have placed it below. Means I have not placed the tire like this. Just a minute, I will show you. I have not placed the tire like this. Because when I was doing some observation, I saw that if we put this tire, it would just bend and fall apart, and this whole the machine and the contraption will fall apart. So I have put it inside, and these are some gripped 2-size wheels, and here also same, and they are L-shaped motor. It runs on 6 volts or 5 volts somewhat. And you would be wondering why I have put this rope here, because as to provide the stability for this motor. As from also I have noticed that when we put this motor inside, then also it starts collapsing. So I have pulled it far away to provide it stability. As you can see how much tension it has. See guys. And for the front, I have used one ball bearing type, which will help me to rotate in any direction. Whichever direction I want, I can rotate this. So there is no problem of just going front only, going back only. It can rotate in all directions. And first of all, I thought of putting 2 wheels side apart this. But I noticed that by this we are putting this, so it would just go forward and backward. So I replaced it with this ball bearing. This side also same. One wire will go up to it to provide some stability for this gear motor. As you can see how much tension it has. And you would be wondering where I put this, as it is in a storage box, and for refilling the water from here, as it would be sitting here like this. Then I have put one sponge here as to provide some cushioning. Then for glass holders, I have put some leather, and below this there is a sponge, and this side it is a cardboard to provide it stability not to fall. And I think I have shown you this dustbin. Yes. And this whole machine is made from best out of waste. This is a waste cardboard which I found from my garage. And these are the cups. These are also paper cups, so it can be reused once more again. This is the IV state, but sterile IV set. And these all motors are extracted from every machine and the component which I found. This battery also is, I think so, I extracted from my RC remote controller. This aluminium sheet you can see here, it is for the durability of this wood. Did I tell you that I have used this wood? No. I think so. I have used this wood for the providing stability of whole this model, because whole it is on this wood and this piece only. Nothing can be steered if we remove this. And same here also, from this I have connected an IV set, and here a zip tie. As when we block this pressure, means decrease the water level which is coming up here, so there would be a pressure increase in this between 2 joints. So as to remove this, I have put on a zip tie to decrease this pressure. And you would be wondering why I have used here spring. I have used here spring because if there are any water, means particles in the water which can harm our body, which would be coming from here, it will block it there only, and the spring would catch it. But guys, there is one disadvantage of this. As which I am providing, this whole model needs 12 volts to run all the component, cooling fans, motors, gears, air pump, everything. So if I provided it with battery, the weight would be so much and it would collapse whole my machine. So for temporary purpose, I have used this extendable wire which connects to our electrical appliances, and which extend. It is around, I think so, 10 meters. So by 10 meters we can go up on very far, and this is only a prototype for my project. And further I would be trying to make a big project which would help me to make and provide to some industry and to have some contract with them. So for this, it is just prototype to show you how we can make and how our future can be there. So now let's see the guys demo of it. 3, 2, 1, let's go guys. Now guys, I will just power on the circuit. There we go. This red light means that all the power is running through the circuit and there is no shortage and no fluctuation in the circuit. This wire takes the current from this wire to here, there and to our this. As you can see here, that to collapse on there because of this whole weight, and suddenly they will collapse and this whole the construction will be collapsed and the machine will be gone. From here also you can get one better angle how. So I have provided this string with an tension to pull this motor like this. So that's why there would be an tension and there would be no problem. As you can see, this thermocol is also bending from the here, and you can see the front how it rests on the floor. So because of this machine gets somewhat tilted, but that is not the problem for me because it is just a prototype. So as I was telling, this is my RC controller, and you would be noticing that these are the returnings from my previous how to make a automatic light controller. But I don't want to lose my memory how I made it, so I have kept it like this only. So first of all, what I have done is that if you press this, that motor will run this side. As you can see here, see guys, and if you press this upper one, just a minute. Oh, why not it's focusing? If you press this one, now press this, that side motor will run. Let me zoom you somewhat. Can you see it? Yeah, yes you can. So if you press this one, that motor will run this side. So see guys, so that is how this two motor works. And if you press this to get both the and if we press this together, this robot will move forward. 3, 2, 1, let's go guys. Guys, and if we press this and this, it will take a reverse. That's why. And then if we press this for turn it is, and if we press this for right turn, left turn, like this, both come forward. It's come and reverse, come forward, reverse. This is very slow because it has got tension on it. So as to prevent that, I am trying to take a string and attach it to it. As to show you, I have removed the string from here. As you can see, where are the strings joining to motor, I have removed it. From there also I have removed it. Yeah. So now see how much slow it runs from the previous one. So it barely goes forward. And now let's see the fun part of it. Now here you can see refreshment. So this motor will come forward towards you like this. It has came forward. Just pick up one glass. Take this glass. Put it in front of this straw. As you can see here, this straw, this upper straw. And as you can see here, I have done some painting like this only. Blue signifies the water. And the refreshment, how pure water is, which makes our mind and body cool. So I have attached this blue also. Now just flip this blue button forward. So as you can see, water is coming from here. It's very slow. Just a minute. It is taking air from it and now it is sprayed. Just a minute. I think so the water levels are very... The problem was here. This is the water dial. Now just speed the water dial. Now see how it's pumping the water. Just a minute guys. See guys, once more trial. Here I will just click on the switch. And there we go. The water is coming from here and we can just drink it. It is very slow because I think so there are some air gaps between here. So it is not pouring here. But if we start doing it rightly, and I think so the water levels are very low, so it is pouring very softly. Now I will just drink it. Just switch off the current. Switch off the flow here. There we go. And now I will just drink it. Oh. Guys, what a refreshment it is. It's very... See guys, empty cup. There goes once more again. And if we want to throw this cup, just crush it, pour, dump, done. And just close the bin like this. And there goes... There would be lights also, but I have switched off the light as it is consuming lots of power. So I am trying to shift this light into a LED which will glow bright and make us feel to drink this water and to make our life better. So guys, hope you would like my project. And if you want some further to do this project, just leave me the comments what I should do. And this challenge was given to me.
It was given to me by Ashish uncle. So I have made this.
To make a water dispenser when I was 11 or 12. Now I am 14 guys and I am promoted to 9. So that's why I was planning to do my project like this. But now I came back and I will upload my project continuously and every week or 2. So keep enjoying watching my videos and do subscribe to my channel. Do click that like button, give me 50k likes and enjoy my video and leave me some comments below what changes should I do in my water dispenser robotic machine.